Hello everyone, my name is Pranayainchwar. I am Coding Ninja's Career Camp student and I have come with the TodoList project using the vanilla JavaScript, HTML and CSS. This is the user interface of the project TodoList and here is the create new task. If we want to create the task, we can type here and create it by entering, and we have the toggle button. We can change the color. So coming to the code, the our goal for this project is to understand how the tasks are added, marked as completed, and how the dark mode features toggles the theme. We start by declaring the variable interacted with the various elements in the our HTML, such as the root container, new task input, task form, task list, task button, and theme button. We have used in the HTML, and we have used as the variable in the script tag. And we can here our in the script tag, coming to the directly to the script tag, here we have used the CSS, such as here we have linked the style sheets, and at the bottom we have linked our the script .js JavaScript file, and this is our CSS HTML, sorry, CSS not HTML. This div tag h1 header div button for the theme to toggle it act as a button, and after at the bottom we have used the footer to uh, put the create new task bar as a footer, and this is the submit button. And coming to the style CSS, we have used the root method to style the CSS for the primary color is white and secondary color is black. And coming to the yeah, we have used the class and ID method for the style CSS. Coming to the directly to the JavaScript, our script listen for the form submission event is task form dot add event listener. This is the task form listener, and we have used the e dot prevent default to avoiding the reload of the page, and then we exact the value of the input field new task input value and pass it into the taskbar, and the task and the add task function creates a new task item by dynamically generating the HTML by using the list items div and span tag and appending them to our task list. The function helps us usually represent the added task on the web page. Currently, one demo I will show as a first task is completing the to do project. Enter. And next task is learning the JavaScript. Second task is learning JS. If we go and toggle, so here the icon of the mouse is changed and the color also changed, and if we click to the this circle, the task will get deleted. And in this kind of the to-do list function acts. And coming to the function on task complete button, and this on task complete button handles the completion of the task. It listen for the click on the task complete button dot add event listener. Once click, it identifies the parent task item and mark it as a complete with the transition before removing the list as I have shown. And this is the dark mode. This is the theme dot button dot add event listener click function. On clicking the function, the dark theme or the else the white theme will appear. This is the changing the toggle button using the dark theme using the button. So this is my project using vanilla JavaScript. Thank you.